Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my shop. I am Buck, and this is Shop Talk. We just talk about anything that comes to mind. We just look at everything. Working on a hand tool woodworking bench. Now, probably this is Monday, so we are looking at a new week, and that is my top for the hand tool woodworking bench. I need to draw me a line, but the shortest one here, all the way to the shortest one here, I've already measured. It's 72 inches, 6 foot. So we are looking at the top. I gotta get right, because legs are going to mortise and tenon into the top, so this thing has got to be right. So I need to do a little checking, and meanwhile, I will take this is where the legs and the stretchers and all's coming from. So what I'll need to do is get back on, I'm going to get back on getting these legs glued up, getting this thing squared off on the ends, and move forward with this thing. Actually, the time-consuming part, getting that top right, is the rest of it should go rather quickly. So we're going to go ahead and get started on that, and yeah, I'll bring y'all along. Okay, what we're going to look at is the let me get my thing. A 3-4-5 method. Now the 3-4-5 method, if you remember, this is my reference, because it would be flipped over to my work would be this way. So everything that I do here will pull off this side right here. So to double check this, 3-4-5. So it would be like if you're going to check this to make a 90 to that, it will be, since 3 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches, or 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet, or 30 feet, 40 feet, 50 feet. It's all common stepping up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get me, well, let's see, 4 feet can't go this way. So it can be a derivative of, let's see, 3, 4 be 8. 8 is 12. All right, so it'll be 4, 8, 12, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I can go 20. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm multiplying it by 5. So 3 times 5, 15. I will mark that right there at 15, right there. All right, now I'll mark this at 20. And that would be right there. All right, now 3, 4, 5, 5 to 5 is 25. So this, fine, I probably need to mark with a pencil. Yeah, I can't. Yeah, there it is. All right, there it is, right there. All right, and this one is right here. Now the distance between those two marks, if it's at a 90, it'll be 25. And it is 25. Okay, not real clear if we got an understanding. In other words, that thing should be on the 0 mark. So 3 times 5 is 15. See where it marks on 15? All right, this is a 4. Done 5 would be 20. So you go to that point right there, and it goes to 20. So you go from this mark let's see, line her up, take your time with it. You go from that mark, let's see me. Yeah. You go from that mark to this mark, 25. So 3, 4, 5 method, double check this to be a 90-degree angle. That really works if you got doubt that your square is working properly. Of course, you come off a straight edge and you flip it, and that'll tell you whether it's off or not. But this method here is wanted to put your doubts to rest. 3, 4, 5 method. In other words, if you're in a great big place, you need a pull-off perpendicular. You go 30 feet, 40 feet, and then 50 feet would be the cross measurement. You know, laying out houses and stuff like that. If it's where, for whatever reason, you can't do a cross measurement, that will be one way of double checking it. And it works. I've used it several times. Well, I got the end straightened up. Yeah, I really like that track saw for situations like that right there. It is, yeah. That track saw, I'm beginning to enjoy that. A lot of people seem to like it, and I kind of see why now. Yeah, I like it track saw. Situation like you cannot. It's so big, real large pieces. You break them down. It's safer. I've had a skill saw, and I made me a little old runner, and it worked good for a while. But that track saw, the dust collection's better. Everything. It does a good job. So I just thought I'd do a little shop talk here. Working on my, actually I'm working on my bench. Got it kind of going for no more time than I can spend down here. There's the legs. I got my legs glued up. I got them glued up. See the A's and the B's, and see that's the 4 legs. I started on the stretchers. I got a little bit left over there to choose from, so I kind of got it going my way. I don't know what y'all think about the 3, 4, 5 method. There's situations that it comes into play. It's just handy, something handy to know, especially in rough terrain or something like that. Something in the middle and you can't do a cross measurement, you can find something to make it work and make it comfortable that you're pulling a 90. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this. I'm gonna work on my bench a little while. Hey man, we're getting some storms here. I'm telling you, we lost power for a little bit a minute ago. Not long, but just enough to get everything. You got to reset your clocks and all. But still, I mean, it's just, I think our drought is on hold. All right then, hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Y'all be safe.